It is not length of life, but depth of life. The invariable mark of wisdom is to see the miraculous in the common. Who you are speaks so loudly I can't hear what you're saying. An ounce of action is worth a ton of theory. We gain the strength of the temptation we resist. In the morning a man walks with his whole body, in the evening, only with his legs. Though we travel the world over to find the beautiful, we must carry it with us or we find it not. The years teach much which the days never know. For everything you have missed, you have gained something else, and for everything you gain, you lose something else. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. All is riddle, and the key to a riddle is another riddle. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. A great man is always willing to be little. Flowers are a proud assertion that a ray of beauty outvalues all the utilities of the world. Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. Love of beauty is taste. The creation of beauty is art. Once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. The earth laughs in flowers. A hero is no braver than an ordinary man, but he is brave 5 minutes longer. The reward of a thing well done is having done it. The first wealth is health. This time, like all times, is a very good one, if we but know what to do with it. It is one of the blessings of old friends that you can afford to be stupid with them. You cannot do a kindness too soon, for you never know how soon it will be too late. What lies behind you and what lies in front of you, pales in comparison to what lies inside of you. For every minute you remain angry, you give up 60 seconds of peace of mind. Bad times have a scientific value. These are occasions a good learner would not miss. Beauty without expression is boring. Never lose an opportunity of seeing anything beautiful, for beauty is God's handwriting. A friend may well be reckoned the masterpiece of nature. The creation of 1,000 forests is in one acorn. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Shallow men believe in luck. Strong men believe in cause and effect. People do not seem to realize that their opinion of the world is also a confession of character. Trust men and they will be true to you. Treat them greatly and they will show themselves great. All life is an experiment. The more experiments you make, the better. Money often costs too much. He who is not every day conquering some fear has not learned the secret of life. Make the most of yourself, for that is all there is of you. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. A man is what he thinks about all day long. We aim above the mark to hit the mark. All I have seen teaches me to trust the Creator for all I have not seen. Our chief want is someone who will inspire us to be what we know we could be. Nobody can bring you peace but yourself. The sky is the daily bread of the eyes. Adopt the pace of nature, her secret is patience. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising up every time we fail. Always do what you are afraid to do. The only way to have a friend is to be one. Character is higher than intellect. A great soul will be strong to live as well as think.